Landscaping a three-bedroom house in Ghana can cost anywhere from 8,000 to over 50,000 Ghana cedis, depending on what you want. But what exactly are you paying for? Welcome to Ghana Business TV, your trusted platform for showing you real money, real businesses, and real opportunities across Ghana and Africa. In this video, I will break down the real cost of landscaping a standard three-bedroom house in Ghana, from grass and paving to labor and maintenance. Landscaping is more than just planting grass. It includes leveling the ground, planting lawns, installing flowers, paving walkways, and sometimes drainage systems. Let's start with the lawn. Grass is usually the foundation of landscaping in Ghana. Popular options include carpet grass and Bermuda grass. Depending on the size of your compound, grass alone can cost between 2,000 and 8,000 Ghana cedis, including installation. Next is paving. This includes walkways, driveways, and sitting areas. Paving blocks or concrete designs improve both beauty and durability. Paving can cost between 5,000 and 20,000 Ghana cedis, depending on materials and designs. To give your home a premium look, flowers, hedges, and decorative plants are added. This can cost anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 Ghana cedis, depending on the type of plant and design complexity. Labor is another key cost. Landscaping requires skilled workers for leveling, planting, and finishing. Labor can range from 2,000 to 10,000 Ghana cedis, depending on the size of the project. In some cases, drainage systems are added to prevent flooding, especially during the rainy season. This can increase your budget by 2,000 up to 10,000 Ghana cedis or even more. So, in total, landscaping a three-bedroom house in Ghana can cost basic 8,000 to 15,000 Ghana cedis, standard 15,000 to 30,000 Ghana cedis, and premium 30,000 to 50,000 Ghana cedis. Good landscaping doesn't just make your home beautiful, it increases its value, improves comfort, and creates a better living environment. If you are planning to landscape your property in Ghana and want it done professionally, you can reach out to us at Green Ghana Estate on 0555 034985. We help transform spaces into beautiful and functional environments.